Hi everyone, I'm Kritika and I'm grateful to each one of you for showing interest in this program. I will quickly share what inspired me to offer this program. A couple of years ago, I remember one of my friend was sharing with me how her mother is very adamant to do the Navratri fast. When he was sharing, he was worried literally that 9 days my mother will fast. She is not well, and I'm worried that she will be more weaker after the 9 days if she does fast. At that time, I didn't have much understanding about about holistic well-being or how fast help or not, but I have this intuitive belief that it actually will be helpful. This belief was there maybe because I used to see my mother and other people in my family. In fact, when I was teaching in Ahmedabad, I used to see my co-teachers who used to do 30 days of Ramzan, and still they were so much active and energetic, especially on those days like of fasting. Everyone are more energetic and active I saw in all throughout my life. It was only just a few years ago when I learned nature cure and I was doing fast myself to help myself heal the crisis, healing crisis, overcome healing crisis. I realized how fasting is very important tool, and as a magical pill it helps you to detoxify. Yes, fasting help us to clean. So what happens in our body? Our body does all the activity. It does the digestion, it does the cleaning also of the body. Now let's think about digestion are like the small processes. It can be like a, you can think as a guest. So like people, guests are coming in your home one by one after the other. Would you be able to concentrate on cleaning your house or greeting the and doing the beautification of the house if the guests keep coming one after the another? No, we will just be able to greet the people and spend quality time with them, not clean the house. Similarly happens in our body. If our body every time is just spending the energy in digesting of the food, it is not able to clean itself, and thus when we fast it gets a time rest period where it can clean itself. Now our body is very intelligent. It doesn't depend upon us. Every climate change, every weather change, it automatically detoxify. That's a natural process which happens inside our body. And I guess that's the reason our ancient people used to clean our body. If you observe, each of our festival are during the seasons change where which calls for fast, and doing so we help and support the natural process of the body, and thus body is able to clean itself beautifully. And in the festival people meet together, they greet, they have fun. In that process you release endorphins also in your body. So your body is having physical detox as well as when you are having mental when you release endorphin, you are feeling mentally also very good. That's how just not physically your body gets detox, but emotionally and mentally too. And that's the intention of this offering, that we understand this Navratri is just not about religious fast or a spiritual. It is more to do. In fact, anything which has a change or anything which has an impact on spiritual being has an impact actually in your overall well-being. And let's optimize this thing and let's do together. And I'll be sharing some of the information which I know in like this in video recordings, and I'll be sharing in the group all those recordings. One more thing, I'm not a teacher as such. This is the first time I'm trying to guide someone to detoxify. I do it myself, very true, but not as a teaching wala thing. And I don't want to teach you guys also. I really want to just facilitate. I want to be just a medium. Whatever I'm trying to do, I'm just circulating with you, and we are doing it together. So, like, I may be wrong sometime. Let's discuss about the thing. Let's discuss about all the aspect. And if you feel the things are connecting, if you feel connected to that, maybe you can research more about those things, and let's together learn and incorporate that and see the experiential learning ourselves. Let's see how our being get manifested and change after the 9 days of this. So that's an invitation to just try and incorporate the things without judgments, and do it wholeheartedly and openly. And yeah, I will be sharing the recordings, and I also want to do the physical sessions, which will be a Q&A or some satsang kind of thing. I think satsang are great way, like if we people talk, people celebrate together in form of music, dance, or whatever creative way, it elevates the energy of everyone. And yeah, question answers are also important because that help us to clarify all the doubts and help us to come back again to the learning phase. So yeah, I'll ask for you people to suggest what is the timing suitable for you to have this QA and the satsang thing, and let's rock on for the 9 days together. Happy Navratri.